Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to create a successful email marketing campaign, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing our ultimate email marketing action plan, which will help you build a strong email list, create engaging content, and convert leads into customers. Let's get started. Section 1. Building your email list. The first step in email marketing is to build a strong email list. Use opt-in forms, lead magnets, and social media to attract subscribers who are interested in your products or services. Make sure to get explicit permission from your subscribers to avoid spam complaints. Section 2. Creating engaging content. Once you have your email list, it's time to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Use a clear, concise subject line to grab their attention, and focus on providing value in each email. Use visuals, storytelling, and personalization to make your emails stand out. Section 3. Segmenting your list. To make your email campaigns even more effective, consider segmenting your email list based on demographics, interests, or behavior. This will allow you to send targeted emails that are more likely to convert leads into customers. Section 4. Automating your campaigns. Save time and increase efficiency by automating your email campaigns. Use tools like autoresponders and drip campaigns to send a series of emails that nurture leads and guide them through the sales funnel. This will help you build a strong relationship with your subscribers and increase the chances of conversion. Section 5. Analyzing your results. Finally, it's important to analyze your email marketing results to see what's working and what's not. Use metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to determine the success of your campaigns. Use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your email. And there you have it, our ultimate email marketing action plan. By building a strong email list, creating engaging content, segmenting your list, automating your campaigns, and analyzing your results, you'll be on your way to a successful email marketing campaign.
Do you have any questions? Get a link in the description for more information. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.